Good habits make our day so bright. Let's learn them morning, noon, and night. Brush, wash, clean, and share. Healthy kids everywhere. Brush your teeth left and right. Morning sun and sleepy night. Round and round, nice and slow. Shiny teeth begin to glow. Wash your hands before you eat. Rub them well, make them neat. Soap and bubbles, scrub, scrub, scrub. Clean hands give a happy hug. Sleep on time, close your eyes. Dream of stars up in the skies. Early to bed, early to rise. Healthy habits make you wise. Eat your fruits and veggies too. Healthy food is good for you. Apple, carrot, banana bite makes you strong with every bite. Tidy up your toys each day. Put them back where they should stay. Clean your room, make it bright. Good habits feel just right. Share your toys and share your smile. Being kind is always style. Helping friends, that's what we do. Good habits start with you. Good habits every day. Let's all learn the healthy way. Brush, wash, sleep, and share. Good habits everywhere.